Hello everyone. Now in statistics, we have already started chapter number 2, that is linear correlation, right? In that we have seen that meaning, types, methods of correlation, and we have seen formulas of Carl Pearson's method. There are three methods. There are three methods for the calculation of correlation. First one, that is scatter diagram method, second one Carl Pearson's method, and third one Spearman's rank correlation method, right? Now scatter diagram is not so important for the exam, right? उसके sums board में आते नहीं है, so that is only for the knowledge purpose, so that we will do in the last. So we starts with the Carl Pearson's method. In the board, 5 marks sum of Carl Pearson's method will come in the exam. So this contain more weightage, and Spearman rank correlations 3 marks sum that will come in the exam. Now for the Carl Pearson's method, there are different formulas to apply. We have seen now I'm showing you from the textbook, from the summary, right? Textbook on page number 107. List of formulas are given on page number 107. First formula we apply in the shortcut sums. Then second formula, there are total first, second, third. There are total four formulas that we apply in Carl Pearson's method. First formula is for the short sums. Second formula we apply when x bar and y bar have exact values. Then third formula we apply when x bar and y bar derived in fraction, right? At that time we apply this third formula, and fourth formula, that is our shortcut formula. So there are four formulas to apply for Carl Pearson's method. So we starts with this formula, x minus x bar, y minus y bar formula. So let's see exercise 2.2. In the exercise 2.2, let's take first sum, that is from the following information obtained from a sample of seven families of a society regarding height of father in centimeter and height of his adult son in centimeter. Calculate the correlation coefficient. Now correlation coefficient means, right, when strength of correlation between, so the correlation coefficient means strength between the variable, that is called as correlation coefficient. Now here in this sum, first of all, height of father is given, height of son is given. So this we take as x variable and this we take as y variable, right? So let's write down this and solve this. Now see, I have written x variable, y variable, total of x variables total, that is 1169, y variables total, that is 1176. So first step is to write down x variable, y variable, and then after second step is to find out x bar and y bar. But because on the basis of x bar and y bar only we can decide the formula. So x bar we find out 1169 upon 7. 7 means number of variables. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 variables. So this comes 167. Now for y bar, total of y variable, that comes 1176. So 1176 upon 7, so that is 168. Now both the answer we get, that is exact values. Exact value we get for x bar and y bar. So we apply this formula, x minus x bar, y minus y bar, under root x minus x bar whole square, y minus y bar whole square. So now we start solving this table according to the formula only. Our first step, that is x minus x bar. तो हम यहाँ पे x minus x bar find out करेंगे. This is our First, this is our third column. Then after we find out y minus y bar, right? Then after we find out multiplication of x minus x bar, y minus y bar. Then next, according to the formula, x minus x bar whole square, and then y minus y bar whole square, right? Now we start solving this. According to this, x bar that is 167, तो x माइनस x बार हम किस तरह से लिखेंगे? 177 माइनस 167, 170 minus 167 comes 3, 169 minus 167 comes 2, 168 minus 167 comes 1, 167 minus 167 comes 0. We have 166 minus 167, तो minus 1, right? फिर ये minus 2, फिर ये minus 3, इस तरह से आया, right? अभी y minus y bar, वैल्यू ऑफ y bar that is 168, तो इन सब में से 168 लेस करेंगे, so 172 minus 167 comes 4, फिर ये 0, फिर ये 2, ये 0, फिर ये -3, -1 एंड -2, इस तरह से, राइट? ओके, नाउ मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस टू, सो 3 4s are 12, 2 0s are 0, 2 1s are 2, 0 0 0, 1 3s are 3, 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6, टोटल हम लास्ट में कर देंगे, राइट? अभी ये x माइनस एक्स बार होल स्क्वायर, तो इसका होल स्क्वायर, सो 3 का स्क्वायर 9, ये 4 1 0 1 4 एंड 9, y माइनस वाई बार होल स्क्वायर, ये तो 16 0 4 0 9 1 एंड 4, राइट? नाउ आई डू टोटलिंग ऑफ ऑल दिस. टोटलिंग आई हैव डन, सो 34 28 25, ये टोटलिंग आ रहा है. इसकी टोटल की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सो डैश डैश, इधर भी नीचे लाइन. इस तरह से प्रॉपर टेबल ड्रॉ करने का, राइट? नाउ वी राइट डाउन फॉर्मूला. r इज इक्वल्स टू सिग्मा x माइनस एक्स बार y माइनस वाई बार अपॉन square root of x minus x bar whole square, square root of y minus y bar whole square. Now we put up the values. x minus x bar y minus y bar comes 25, तो ये हमने 25 लिखा. x minus x bar whole square comes 28, तो हमने ये स्क्वायर रूट में 28 लिखा. y minus y bar whole square comes 34, तो ये हमने स्क्वायर रूट में 34 लिखा, राइट? नाउ स्टेप में नेक्स्ट है, इसका हम स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे, इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके इसके साथ डिवाइड कर देंगे. सो r कम्स 0.81, राइट? r इज कमिंग our answer, that is 0.81. Now always remember that our answer should come in between -1 to +1. समझ में आ रहा है? Our answer should come in between -1 to +1. Now after this we have to write an interpretation. Now this 0.81, that is nearer to 1. So we can say that there is high degree of positive correlation between, हम लिख देते हैं इसमें, there is high degree of positive correlation between height of father and son. राइट। आंसर अगर नेगेटिव में आए तो नेगेटिव कोरिलेशन, आंसर पॉजिटिव में आ रहा है तो हाई डिग्री ऑफ पॉजिटिव कोरिलेशन, एंड दिस स्टेटमेंट इज नेसेसरी एंड कंपल्सरी टू राइट डाउन, राइट. So this is how we can solve sum by applying our first formula. So when x bar and y bar comes in exact value, we apply this formula, and this is an easy formula, right? Okay, so write down this sum in your notebook. ये जो सम है आप नोटबुक में लिख लेना, राइट. खुद से सॉल्व कर सके तो खुद से सॉल्व कर लेना. एंड सम नंबर 2 एंड सम नंबर 3 बोथ आर इन होमवर्क. वाई? बिकॉज बोथ फॉलोज दिस फॉर्मूला ओनली. दोनों में ये एक्स बार वाई बार ये जो है ये एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू में आ रहे हैं, इसलिए दोनों में यही फॉर्मूला लगेगी. सो सम नंबर 2 एंड सम नंबर 3 बोथ आर इन होमवर्क, right? Okay, so another sums we will do tomorrow, so see you everyone.